Would you rather solve conflicts through tickle fights or solve conflicts through sumo wrestling? I myself, I would like to tickle fight. Hey there everyone, are you looking for a fun and relevant icebreaker for teams? Well, my name is Sean with the Elevate team, and today I'm going to teach you an easy icebreaker game that will help you improve your company culture, have meaningful conversations, and is really fun to play. This activity, which you've probably heard of before, is called Would You Rather, and it's one of 3 that we used in a resource we created called the Elevate Your Culture card deck. Now, before you start thinking about those boring, awkward icebreakers used in middle school, we like to think that they've come a long way since then. So if you're new to the party, an icebreaker, as defined by Merriam-Webster, is this. It's something that is done or said to get through the first difficulties in starting a conversation or a discussion. Well, here at Elevate, we use icebreakers all the time. We use them as a tool to loosen up a crowd at an event. We use them to grab the attention of the attendees, as well as build trust and camaraderie within a group. And one way that we like to do so is by utilizing a resource we created called the Elevate Your Culture cards right here. And now this resource is amazing. It's got 3 activities and allows teams to engage and create meaningful conversations through those 3 activities called Let's Talk Values, Ask, Share, and Discuss, and the one that we're going to talk about today called Would You Rather. Now today we're going to focus on this one called Would You Rather, and it's incredibly simple. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to gather your people. That's it, get them together. Now whether it's before a team meeting, an orientation with a new set of interns, or any group, it's very helpful to separate them into smaller groups of about 3 to 5 people. Now that way, everyone has a chance to be engaged and can answer the questions within the Would You Rather activity. Next, we suggest having one person from each group act as the facilitator. You know, kind of like the Terminator, like Arnold Schwarzenegger, except it's the facilitator. Have the facilitator ask the group one of the Would You Rather questions. You can create these on your own with a brainstorm or team, or you can simply use the ones that we provide in our culture card deck and then watch as everyone begins to share their answers and has a ton of fun. For example, the facilitator would ask the group of 3 to 5 people a question like this. Would you rather perform karaoke in front of your entire community or lip sync in front of the president of your company? Now, one reason why we love these culture cards is that the questions provide a range from fun and quirky to more intentional and thought-provoking. This provides players the opportunity to know each other's personalities, opinions, and even share some laughs. If you choose to create your own Would You Rather questions, be sure to create enough of them to fill all of the time that you needed. Be sure to make some of them that are fun and some questions that will spark a great discussion. If you're looking for ways to build your team's dynamic and break the ice at your next gathering, these culture cards are for you. So in the description below, you will find a link where you can purchase your very own set of Elevate Your Culture cards, which lead to 3 activities, including Would You Rather, Let's Talk Values, and Ask, Share, Discuss, which you can use with your team at your next group gathering. As always, thanks so much for stopping by. Please be sure to take a look at our Icebreaker Games video playlist for more tips and tricks on how to make your next event or group gathering a success. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon, ding, so you get notified right when we post a new video. You don't want to miss them. If you have any questions about Icebreaker Games or a crowd engagement, drop a comment below and we would love to help. If you liked learning about this Icebreaker activity, go ahead and give us the thumbs up on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.